नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटियों। I'm JVN Professor Manju Sharma. Program name MA third sem. Subject name secondary and senior secondary education. Module name rationalization of curriculum, not to avoid steep gradient between secondary and senior secondary syllabi. The rationalization university name Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I welcome to all in this class of JVWU. I'm today discussing about the rationalization. Rationalization of curriculum. The rationalization of the curriculum is based on 150 days of the actual instructional time. Instructional days are the total number of days within which the curricular activities are conducted. Within these days, a maximum of 32 minutes are available for actual classroom instruction per day. Examples of rationalization. A person might account for a bad mood or general rude behavior by explaining that bad traffic affected the morning commute. For example, someone who is passed over for a promotion might rationalize this disappointment by claiming to not have wanted so much responsibility after all. The act, process, or result of rationalizing. A way of describing, interpreting, of explaining something such as bad behavior that makes it seem proper, more attractive. There are three basic types of curriculum design: subject centered, learner centered, and problem centered design. Subject centered curriculum design revolve around a particular subject matter or discipline, such as mathematics, literature, or biology also. In sociology, rationalization is the replacement of traditions, values, and emotions as motivators for behavior in society with concepts based on rationality and reason. Phases planning. Identify issues, problem, need from curriculum development, conduct need assessment analysis, state intent outcomes, select content, design experimental method, produce curriculum product, test and revise curriculum. People took on very specific jobs that entailed very specific sets of skills. Another major change in the rise of bureaucracy as such as aspect of the workplace as personal management came into being. Bureaucracies were organized such a way as to promote this kind of organizational setup. Rational choice theory states that individuals use rational calculations to make rational choices and achieve outcomes that are aligned with their own personal objectives. These results are also associated with an individual's best self-interest, anomie, also spelled anomie in societies or individuals, a condition of instability resulting from a breakdown of standards and values or from a lack of purpose or ideals. Briefly discuss the five core activities in curriculum. Development by referring in a analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation take place interactively. Curriculum development starts by analyzing the exciting setting and proposing changing. Any curriculum consists of several components: goals, dispositions, duration, needs analysis, learners and teachers, exercises and activities, resources, ways of learning, skills to be acquired, Laxis language structure, and ability assessment. The term rationalization of society refers to a transformation in people's thinking and behavior, a gift from time honored traditional ways in efficiency in producing result. Karl Marx attributes rationalization to capitalism. The rational decision-making process identified the problem, established decision criteria, weighed decision criteria, generate alternatives, evaluate alternatives, select the best alternatives. The rational approach to decisions is based on scientifically obtained data that allow informed decision making, reducing the chances of errors, dis- or distortions, assumptions, guesswork, subjectivity, and all major causes for poor or inequitable judgments. The process is known as the curriculum cycle. Curriculum cycle which encompasses four parts: preparing for writing, research building the field, content exploration, and explicit instruction, modeling the text type, deconstruction, guided practice, joint construction, and independent application of newly acquired knowledge. Without a proper curriculum, a school cannot run smoothly as there would be no defined idea of what the plan is to teach students studying at the institution. Through, through management of the curriculum, we can move towards a more effective academic environment with skilled and hardworking students. The powered station by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Any query, write in box, resolve your queries. Thank you.